Hi, this is my submission video for project 1. So as you can see, nothing's going on right now, but as I submit this string, just basic SOS. As soon as it gets read in by the serial monitor, it'll start flashing the lights. 3 dots is an S. 3 dashes is an O. Three more dots is an S. Once this last S finishes, it should wait about 7 seconds and replay it. There it goes. And once we enter the kill character, which is just an exclamation point, it should stop playing and wait for a new input after it gets through this letter. And there it goes, no longer playing, ready for the next input. I'll just do a simple E on the serial port here. I believe E is just a single dot, so that's it. Thanks.